How to use Google Voice typing on the Samsung keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. You will see general management is here, so click on general management. Now here, scroll down and click on Samsung keyboard settings. So after click on Samsung keyboard settings, scroll down and click on voice input. You will see voice input is here, so click on voice input. So you will see Google Voice Typing is here. So if you want to use Google Voice Typing, so click on Google Voice Typing. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can use Google Voice Typing on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.